Today in class, we'll be exploring lighting for portrait paintings and character illustrations. Light is a huge topic, but in this class, we'll be breaking it down into manageable parts so that we can enhance our knowledge and make better art pieces. You'll learn how to spot the patterns, shapes, and tendencies of light so that you can make better artistic decisions in your drawings and paintings. We'll talk about different skin tones, the different types of light sources, and how they affect the colors on our subjects. We'll look at tons of examples, from lighting in sunlight, overcast light, window light, and electric light. We'll also go over common lighting angles that work beautifully for portraits and character illustrations. I'll be showing you how I blend and get soft edges with some of my favorite mediums, including markers, digital painting tools, oil paints, and soft chalk pastels. We'll also talk about some really eye-catching lighting effects that you can use in your pieces. We'll explore dappled light, subsurface scattering, how to get that glow in your pieces, and much more. You'll be able to watch as I demo techniques for lighting characters in 4 different lighting scenarios. And I'll also be sharing my thought process and methods for painting stylized portraits and more realistic portraits. From class, you'll walk away with tons of reference materials and resources that will help you solidify your understanding of lighting. I'm so excited to share this class with you all. I hope you'll join me. So get out your favorite medium and jump into class.